Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tectronics and to our new video. In this video, we will discuss about first definitions of breadboard, second internal connections of breadboard, and third we will make a simple circuit using basic components for better understanding.
So, what is breadboard? It is a simple board where you can place your electronic components and can link them with other components with wires. It is used to connect circuit before filling the actual design. Rather, we can say that it is used to the test circuit. The components or wires can be connected into the breadboard by simply pushing into the holes on the breadboard. These holes are connected internally. This is a breadboard. The two rows at the top and at the bottom are horizontally shorted or connected, but there is a break after 5 columns. These two rows and these two rows are internally connected, but there is a break after 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Break. This means the first 5 columns are shorted or connected horizontally and next 5 columns are shorted or connected horizontally but separated from the first 5 columns. These 5 columns are separated from these 5 columns, but these 5 columns are internally connected and these 5 columns are internally connected. These 4 rows, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, are generally called power rails, as power supply is connected in these points. The middle part, this part, is divided into 2 parts which are electrically isolated with each other. 2 parts and they are electrically isolated with each other, but each of them is internally connected. These are internally connected and these are internally connected, but each of them is internally connected vertical wise. These are electrically isolated with each other, but these holes are connected internally vertical wise or column wise, and these are called component rails, as components are connected in these points. So what we have understand, let's recall it. This is a breadboard and these two rails are called power rails and they are internally connected, but there is a break after 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a break. And in the middle part, it is connected. It is divided into 2 parts. First part and second part. These are isolated electrically, and these points or holes are also connected internally, but column wise. And same goes for this one also. Now we will make a simple circuit using active and passive components on the breadboard. If you don't know about active and passive elements or other type of elements, then you can watch our previous video about the introduction to electronics and some basic components. The link is given below in the description. So let's make a circuit.
We have already showed you the introduction of breadboard. Now we are going to demonstrate it. Here we can see an LED. Here it is the LED what we have chosen for our experiment. So what is LED? LED is light emitting diode. So you may be surprised that why we have used this resistance connected with the LED. This is for the safety of the LED so that it can't be burned out. Now we have to check the LED is fine or not. It is a multimeter, as you see that. Let's check the LED. As you can see, here it is LED. the positive terminal of multimeter and the negative terminal is connecting with the LED. So the LED is glowing. So we can conclude that this terminal of LED is known as anode and this terminal of LED is known as cathode. Now we are going to show you the dual mode power supply, by which we can calculate the current or voltage simultaneously. Now let's start the experiment using this dual mode power supply. Here we choose a LED and the LED is kept here like that, and as you can see that there is a dual mode power supply, and the positive terminal of power supply. Let's complete the circuit. Initially the voltage applied to the LED is 0. Now we are going to connect the positive terminal of power supply to the anode of LED. And as well as the negative terminal of power supply to the cathode of LED. We have completed our circuit. Now we are going to provide the voltage applied to it. We are increasing the voltage gradually. Still the LED is not glowing. Here is 1.3 volt, 1.2, and here we can see the LED is blinking sometimes, and at about 1.5 volt it is blinking, and it is more brighter than previous one at 2 volt. So here is the connection of breadboard to the LED.
That's all about it for today. Thanks for watching and keep listening for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Techtronix if you like this video and want more videos from us regarding any query about electronics. Thank you.